How do the cannabinoids work in the skin? Why does our topical use of cannabis go all the way back to the earliest Egyptian medical treatises and the birth of traditional Chinese medicine? And why do cannabinoids on the skin work for such a wide range of conditions? It's because we've got a crazy amount of cannabinoid receptors in our skin. I'm Lex Pelger. I do canna education for CV Sciences, the makers of Plus CBD, producers of fine topical products. This is an excellent chart on the endocannabinoid system in the skin, and you can find it easily by looking up the 2022 review paper it came from, called Cannabinoid Compounds as a Pharmacotherapeutic Option. Of the 5 major skin cell types they talk about today, we're going to start with these keratinocytes. These are the skin stem cells. So in the process of your skin replacing itself every 30 days, these are the stem cells that it comes from. And so it's a very carefully regulated process of keeping those stem cells stemmy and as a niche that you can continue to draw on, as well as letting some of them differentiate into new skin. As you can see, not only do the cannabinoid receptors help to regulate this process of new skin cell growth, they also lower inflammation and lower the formation of scar tissue. Then you also have cannabinoid receptors in your melanocytes. Those are the ones that give color to your skin, melanin, which protects you from UV radiation. But UV radiation causes cancer, and as you can see, if you activate the CB1 or CB2 receptor, it helps to lower carcinogenesis, or the formation of cancer cells. Then you have the epidermis, the skin itself. And you can see that if you activate the CB1 receptor, it helps with wound healing and for barrier recovery. And also it lowers inflammation and it lowers hypersensitivity, as well as mast cell proliferation. Mast cells are the ones that release histamine and are involved with allergic skin processes. But it's not only cannabinoid receptors involved. There is the Fa enzyme that helps to break down the first endocannabinoid discovered, anandamide. You have the TRPV vanilloid receptors. You have PPAR receptors. Those are ones that activate genetic transcription. So you're turning on and off genes inside your skin. So the endocannabinoid system is doing so much in your epidermis. Then below me, you have the neurons themselves. Your skin does have neurons. They transmit signals. And so the CB1 receptor activation helps to lower the transmission of pain signals as well as itchiness signals. Then down here, the hair follicles. We don't know a ton about this realm of things, but it seems like THC might not be great for hair growth, while CBD does seem to help with hair growth. Last but not least, you have these sebaceous glands, and these regulate the fats and lipids that go onto your skin. And this oil on your skin is such an important part of skin health. A lot of these anti-aging products you see out there, they're working via the sebaceous glands, and you can see that the cannabinoid receptors do too. If you activate the CB1 receptor, it increases lipid synthesis for your skin. So this is a really important part of the healing properties, healthy properties of cannabinoids for the skin. So there's some of the basics on cannabinoids in the skin. If you have any questions, ask me anything.